Warning, tornado warning.
A few storms may be severe. Low 70. Friday, thunderstorms likely. A few storms may be severe. High 77.
I got my fire scanner right here.
100 block of Front Street. Couldn't tell you the address offhand. Okay, 1719.
Right now, we are tracking a tornado warning in effect for Berks County in Pennsylvania, north and west of Philadelphia. Until 5:30 Eastern Time, there's some possible rotation with this thunderstorm right now as it moves off to the east-southeast. Exeter, Reading, obviously kind of right in it currently, and Spring. You are in these areas. If you are in the warned spot, you want to make sure you are taking...
What the heck? Oh, shit. What the heck?
Listen to weather radios.
I can hear it going off in it. Do you know what I should do? I should go outside. I'm going to. Going outside during a tornado. Oh look! Dad! Dad's home!
Maybe the most powerful part of the storm, the rotating part of the storm is...
Tornado heading toward Shepherd Hills.
Flash flood warning this area till 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Avoid flood areas. Check local media. NWS.
Why doesn't it do that when it, thunderstorm warning? Why doesn't it do that? Garbage. I thought it was for the tornado warning. Let's go outside real quick. The tornado warning's down that way.
Yeah, Mom.
I wonder if I could get it on my radio. No, I'm on a different channel.
Tonight, thunderstorms. A few storms may be severe. A tornado warning has been issued for our area. Friday, thunderstorms likely. A few storms may be severe. High 77. A tornado warning has been issued for our area. 7-day outlook.
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, west central Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Reading, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Birdsboro around 5:40 p.m. Pottstown, Shadarville, and Gilbertsville around 5:50 p.m. Royersford around 6:05 p.m. Phoenixville and Springmount around 6:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Boyertown, Pottsgrove, Loran, Mount Penn, South Pottstown, Reaven, Amity Gardens, Spring City, Stowe, and Sanatoga. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, and Montgomery.
As that continues to drive eastward, then you've got a very large area under warning. This is basically all of central Jersey under warning right now. Mercer, Monmouth, and Ocean counties under warning until 6:15. Some very strong storms now coming down the 195 corridor, moving along towards the east again, 30 miles per hour. You see where the leading edge of all that is. Let's try to outline the leading edge of these storms, see who's going to be affected by these as they move off towards the east. And that'll be coming into Marlborough, Hazlet, Middletown, as well as Lakewood and Long Branch. Possible damaging wind coming your way, 60 mile per hour wind is the threat with these storms. And we're also looking at the possibility of some quarter-size hail moving east to 40 miles per hour. Also warning to the north of that, it continues until 5:45 into Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset counties under warning. And as we expand the picture, you see the severe thunderstorm watch in effect for eastern parts.
Expected to begin shortly. No further information. No need to acknowledge. Time of broadcast 17:31.
What? What if my mother gonna think I'm crazy? Alright, I'm gonna start filming part 2. Take care.